Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get mic in Roblox. So basically if you want a mic over Avatar's head in the game, I'll show you how can you get it. First of all, you have to click on gear icon and go to settings, and now you just need to go to in privacy. So basically to get mic in Roblox, uh, you just need to enable mic from in privacy. But if you don't see mic in privacy, you just need to go to in account info and scroll down, and here you just need to click on verify my age, enter your birthday and verify my age. Then it will ask you to prepare a valid ID, whether it is a driving license, passport ID and resident permit. And also it will also say that you have to use your smartphone. So basically it will ask you to upload your valid ID front and back side, and it will also ask you to take a selfie and upload it. And once you're done with your verification, like once you verify your age, you will get a mic, you will get a microphone option here in the privacy. So right now I don't have, but I have already verified my age on another account. So let me show you on that account. So guys, this is my second account, and as you can see, I have got this microphone option here in the privacy by verifying my age. I have already verified my age in account info. You just need to proceed with the same steps and that I have already mentioned earlier. So it is very easy to verify your age, and once you enable microphone from here in the privacy, let me go back. And once you verify your age from privacy, you just need to click on toggle button, and now just click on toggle button and click on enable to enable microphone. Once enable it, you just need to open any game and just you will get the mic over a carpet. Let me show you. Now in this game, as you can see, you will get the mic over a car's head after enabling the microphone input in privacy. Just need to click on it to get start voice chatting with your friend. So yeah, and you can see the variation over a car's head. So this is how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.